welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today is the first time on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so today on this channel, we're going to be learning about Yoruba greetings. But before we go into that, just like you know, we'll be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, a kú dédé àsìkò níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Tí òní bá jọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ máa wá sórí ètò ẹ wò. Inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí ẹ káàbọ̀. Ní orí ètò yìí ní òní, a máa kọ́ nípa oríṣiríṣi bí a ti ń kíra wa ní ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Èrò yà wá wò, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys, thank you for greeting together in Yoruba language. So there's a few things I would like to address before we go into our greetings today. So this is like your your guiding to greeting in Yoruba without getting into trouble. Especially with the older ones, all right? So today we're going to be learning how to address and the basic type of greetings that we've got in Yoruba language, okay? We're going to be learning today how to say good morning, good afternoon, 2 ways of saying good evening, how to say welcome, how to say goodbye, how to say thank you. All right. I'll tell you what morning, afternoon, and evening, and all of these greetings, what they mean in Yoruba. Okay. So, for example, morning is aro, aro. Okay. Afternoon is ọ̀sán. Okay. Good evening. The first way of saying it is alẹ́. The second version is ìrọ̀lẹ́. Okay? So, if you're to greet someone, good morning, you add ka to it, ka. Okay? So, for morning, it is káàárọ̀. Afternoon is káàsán. Evening is káalẹ́ or kúrọ̀lẹ́. Okay, that's the only one you don't add ka. You add ku. Kúrọ̀lẹ́, kúìrọ̀lẹ́. Okay, kúìrọ̀lẹ́. All right. So let's take it again. Káàárọ̀, káàsán, káalẹ́, kúìrọ̀lẹ́. Okay, now if you're addressing your mate, like I said earlier, you will add o, and when you're addressing an elderly person, you add e. Okay, so if you're to greet your mate, okay, you will add káàárọ̀, káàsán, káalẹ́. Okay, when you're greeting your mate, it's exactly the same thing. But when you're greeting someone who is older, you add the e. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. Now, don't forget the sas and mas. And don't forget you have to go on both knees as a female child and prostrate as a male child. Okay? So, it is ẹ káàárọ̀ sà or ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Ẹ káàsán sà. Ẹ káàsán mà. Ẹ káalẹ́ sà. Ẹ káalẹ́ mà. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ sà. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ mà. Okay? How do you then say thank you? Thank you means ṣeun. If you have to say thank you to your mate, then that would be what? O ṣeun. But if it's an elderly person, is ẹ ṣeun sà. Ẹ ṣeun mà. Okay? Ẹ ṣeun sà. Ẹ ṣeun mà. and o ṣeun to your mate. If you are to say welcome, okay, it is káàbọ̀, all right? Or you can say o káàbọ̀.
Then ẹ káàbọ̀ for someone who is older, okay?
Now, if you are to say goodbye, goodbye means o dàbọ̀. Now, you'll be wondering, oh, Olukantideke, that means, oh, you're being disrespectful. No, because the word goodbye simply means o dàbọ̀ in Yoruba. But to make it sound, for it to be respectful, when you're greeting an elderly person or an older person, you will add o dàbọ̀ sà, o dàbọ̀ mà. But if you're saying o dàbọ̀ to your mate, if you're saying goodbye to your mate, it is just simple o dàbọ̀. Or if your friend's name is Bayo, you say o dàbọ̀ Bayo. You understand? Okay, that is it. Simple. So today we've learnt our good morning, good afternoon, good evening. 2 ways of saying good evening. Okay, we've learnt that. We've learnt how to say thank you. We've learned how to say welcome. We've learned how to say goodbye. Okay, thank you again for the time that you've taken today to learn these things. Okay, so next week we're going to be learning about the days of the week. I am so excited about that. I am so looking forward. Okay, so let's recite everything again. All right, so we know that good morning is ẹ káàárọ̀. So ẹ káàárọ̀ sà, ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Okay? Good afternoon is ẹ káàsán. To someone who is your mate, it is káàsán. For someone who is older, it's ẹ káàsán mà, ẹ káàsán sà. Okay? We have 2 ways of saying good evening. We take ẹ káalẹ́ first. So it is káalẹ́ to your mate and ẹ káalẹ́ sà, ẹ káalẹ́ mà to whoever is older. Okay? The second way of saying good evening is ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. So it is kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ to your mate and ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ to someone who is older. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ sà, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́ mà. Okay? And if you want to say thank you, is ẹ ṣeun sà, ẹ ṣeun mà. For someone who is your mate, it is o ṣeun. All right? If you want to say goodbye, it is o dàbọ̀ sà, o dàbọ̀ mà. And o dàbọ̀ to your mate. And then if you want to say welcome, it is ẹ káàbọ̀ sà, ẹ káàbọ̀ mà, and káàbọ̀ to your mate. All right then, guys. We're just going to say thank you to our mommies and daddies. I will say o dàbọ̀. All right then. So we know how to say thank you now to our mommies and our daddies, isn't it? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ ṣeun sà, ẹ ṣeun mà. And we're going to say our o dàbọ̀ on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. O dàbọ̀ sà, o dàbọ̀ mà. Thank you. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done.